some of the key use cases that we've seen are specifically in the finance space, professional services space, supply chain. But just on what you've mentioned here, is that the key here is that it needs to make sense to your business. And one of the things that I've seen in our landscape specifically is not understanding the art of the possible. And so what we like to do when we engage with customers, for example, in the supply chain space, we'll say to customers, are you aware that you can use AI for optimizing inventory? You can use AI for demand forecasting. In the finance space, fraud detection, very big use case. Real-time analysis, very big use case. Customer experience enhancement, massive use case in that space. Professional services, they very often think that AI has nothing to do with them, but in actual fact might actually have the biggest impact. You're looking at things like legal. You know, gone are the days where a lawyer is expected to read tons and tons of legal documentation, but AI can sift through, and so you can have your lawyers focus on the negotiation aspects of it, that role, that part of the job. In compliance, you know, they've got to keep up with so many complexities, especially when you're looking at multinational businesses, multinational enterprises. Keeping up with the compliance risks associated with running a business globally is massive.